I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie.
So ito na mga boss, Japan na tayo, no?
Very chill, very nice environment. Kinda cold and good weather. Grabe guys, ganda ng Japan. No? Sobrang linis, maraming security, safe pa. Grabe. Loved in Japan and Dinen de Luca guys. So dito guys, Dinen de Luca sikat to. Sobrang sarap ng mga bakeries dito. Try nyo yan, no? Recommended ko yan pag punta kayong Japan. So, astig dito. Ayan, ang daming tao. Actually guys, sobrang ganda ng Japan talaga. Sa lahat naman napunta ako, isa to sa mga pinaka-the best, no? Siguro, kamatch niya yung Dubai, no? When it comes to mag-enjoy ka talaga at marami na pupuntahan dito. Grabe guys, oh, sarap ng chocolates na to. May mga macarons pa sila. Yes, so solid pa na yun. Mga coffee yata. Guys, meron pa silang coffee. Sarap ng tea. Blend dito guys. Lahat ng gusto nyo. Coffee. And meron pa silang mga bomb kachin. Ito, bomb kachin. Okay. Makasarap niyan. Pero guys, try natin yung soda nila. Ito yung parang coke nila dito eh. Soda may can lang. So, try din natin. Okay ko. Then get natin siya. Okay? Try natin yun. Ang ganda ng bulaklak guys, oh. Titingnan nyo. Still na mga bulaklak dito. And guys, kompleto pa. Meron pang Chiquita Kitchen. Yan guys, ni Chiquita Kitchen. Try natin yun guys. Kung ayos yan. And tayo pang mga bilihin dito. Napakastig talaga ng Japan guys, no? Grabe. Ano kayang... Kain na muna tayo. Gutom na ako eh.
Sobrang ganda sa Japan guys. Number 2 ko tong favorite country next to Korea, no? So abangan nyo yung Korea vlogs ko. Pero guys, sobrang enjoy ko sa Japan. Mas take pa yung Dubai at Europe. Grabe talaga yung Japan guys. Okay, nagstay ako sa The Ritz-Carlton Hotel. Malapit siya sa center, no? At ayun guys, papunta ako sa hotel. So sobrang ganda dito. Kung magsistay kayo sa Japan, I suggest dapat malapit sa Tokyo. Okay, yung magandang hotels malapit sa Tokyo, or kung medyo kapos kayo sa budget, at least guys, huwag kayo magsistay malayo sa center, no? Yung may iba kasi yung nagsistay malapit sa Disney, although maganda yon kung magdi-Disneyland kayo, pero malayo sa center yung Disney, no?
Grabe guys, so haba ng pila dito, hindi ko alam bakit. Ano ba to? Restaurant ata to. So parang may restaurant dito, kaya mahaba yung pila, no? Check natin kung ano yung pinagkakaabalan nila, kung bakit mahaba yung pila dito. Ayan, restaurant nga siya. Ayan yung Roppongi pag umaga. May steakhouse and maraming mga shops dito. Ayos na ayos. So guys, dito tayo sa Roppongi, no? Napaka-chill lang. Good vibes. Paka-safe din dito, no? Wala kang ka-worry dito. Sobrang chill ng vibes. At yung mga tao mababait lahat, no? And daming kainan, no? So tingin pa tayo ng mga kainan na mga sarap. Yung mga masarap kasi na kainan dito, mahaba yung pila, no? Pero alam niyo naman guys, sa Japan pinakasikat ang ramen, no? So try natin yung ramen dito, no? Para magkaalaman. So kain tayo dito guys sa Pudo. So order na tayo dito guys, mukhang masarap, no? Ano tayo?
Porking this one.
What?
Egg.
Okay.
And this one.
Oishi egg. Okay.
Oishi. Thank you.
And 5 gyoza.
So this is one of the best ramen here in Japan, guys. I'm gonna try the best ramen here in Japan. Tastes good, smells good. Let's try it. Japan has the best ramen in the world. This is just so good. I love the taste. It's perfect. 10 out of 10. Grabe guys, napakasarap na ramen dito. Busog na busog ako. At yung siniserve nila dito, hindi water, no? Tea yung gamit nila. Grabe talaga sarap. Sobra. This Roppongi guys, that's the Tokyo Tower. Going now.
Siyempre guys, sa Japan, number 1 sa mga branded yan, no? So kung mahilig sa mga branded items, sa mga fashionista dyan, siyempre punta kayo sa Japan, no? So murang mga branded items guys sa Japan guys, especially sa Tokyo, no? Kasi sa Osaka wala masyado nabibiling branded. So tinry ko rin mag-bus, no? I tried using the bus and public transportation para alam ko yung kalakalan dito. At guys, sobrang ganda, smooth, no? So mura lang yung bus dito guys, no? So $2 lang, makaka-ride ka na, 100 piso. And guys, marami din masarap na kainan sa Japan, no? Siyempre number 1 sa ramen ng Japan, tinry nga natin kanina. At mga masarap na pagkain, no? So maraming chocolates dito, bibilin natin yung mga fans natin na souvenir of course. At yung mga kaibigan natin.
Sarap na bread. And guys,
Ayoko lang sa Japan guys kumpara sa Korea. Sobrang crowded ng Japan, no? Yun, ayoko sa Japan, real talk. Medyo maraming tao. Lalo na sa Shibuya, no? Sa Shibuya. So dito tayo ngayon guys, robotics na lahat sa Japan. So nasa Big Mac tayo. So dito yung parang maraming camera store sa Big Camera, no? So yan yung Yoshito Park.
Very chill. The ice cream here is so good. Guys, when you're going to Japan, make sure you get this Suica card. This Suica card can get you to trains, bus, every kind of transportation, and every food. You can buy and shop every kind of store using this Suica card. So use this Suica card. Mga boss, napakasarap ng ice cream dito at meron Suica card. Guys, pag pupunta kayo ng Japan, una nyong gawin, hanap kayo ng Suica card at paludan nyo dahil pwede kayo bumili ng mga pagkain, pwede kayo mag-travel, pwede kayong sumakay ng train, ng bus gamit ang Suica card. Kaya paludan nyo yan, bili kayo ng Suica card. Guys, may tunnel, oh. Let's go guys! Shibuya Crossing. Is it? The most populated. Come in my way. Come in my way. One time. So guys, kakadaan lang natin ang Shibuya Crossing. Ito na tayo. Dami na tao dito guys. So, grabe. Best ice cream here in Shibuya guys. As you can see, a lot of people here. Yes, we want some strawberry shake. The best store here. Thank you. This is Japan, guys. What's up a lot guys? Back to the hotel. So guys, we're reserving the restaurant. Guess what's our name? That's it. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. Guys, napaka-chill ng Japan, no? Relax. Try this soup, guys. We were just innocent until something better came along.
language and you read me like a book. This night means forever and so it's me and you. We say we love, we say we love. That we gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along.
So almost all restaurants here has iPad and you can just order from the menu directly like this. So it's very accessible. Kumusta mga boss? Kung titignan nyo may mga iPad yung mga menu sa Japan, no? Napakadali. Browse ka lang ng browse. Kumusta guys? Kung may order kayo iPad. So hindi ka mamili. Sobrang dali.
Coke Zero. Coke Zero.
This is what we use here for the cold weather. Heat pad. Ready to buy guys, Tiffany? Hello. Pikachu guys! Let's play Pikachu! Ito yung mga Pokemon guys, tag 3,000 yan, so nasa 1.5 pesos. Yan, so mag-shopping tayo ng mga Pokemon dito. Guys, iPhone. So 100. Tayo mga boss, nakabili na nga sa Supreme ngayon, kain tayong steak sa Japan. Grabe, sarap ng drinks dito at saka steak.
Pinaka-advice kung puntahan nyo Tokyo Tower, number 1 sa Japan yan. Hindi kayo pupunta sa Japan hanggat di kayo nakapunta sa Tokyo Tower.
Tokyo Tower mga boss, grabe, sobrang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Now guys, dito tayo sa Baskin Robbins ice cream. So there are Pokemon here as well guys.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and
In Japan guys, there's this hit pack, you just shake it, then you put your hand, it will be so hot. It's amazing technology. Heat pack when it's cold weather.
Welcome to Tokyo Disneyland, guys! This is it! Tokyo Disneyland, the most Instagrammable in whole Tokyo. Of course, number 1 in Tokyo. Aside from Musta mga boss? Dito na tayo sa Disneyland, Tokyo Disneyland. Grabe, sobrang chill. Sobrang ganda ng view dito. So pag pupunta kayo ng Japan, huwag niyong kalimutan pumunta sa Tokyo Disneyland. Kasi grabe talaga, ganda, no? Sa mga napunta ko mga Disneyland sa lahat ng bansa, isa po sa mga pinakamaganda na puntahan ko. Kaya maraming tao, no? As you can see, guys, this is the school girls, because here in Japan they don't have class, it's holiday today and we're at Disneyland, so there are a lot of school girls here, and that's the uniform of Japan girls. And as you can see, this is the castle, very nice. We're gonna go now to Beauty and the Beast, so let's go. Welcome to Disney, guys. Let's go. So this one, guys, is flash picture, as you can see. And you look at the photo. Whoa, there is the white. You see? There's the white. It's flash picture. Hi, Woody. Hi. Kaya mga boss, dito tayo ngayon sa Disney. Napaka-chill, tingnan nyo naman ng vibe. Grabe, daming tao pero worth it na ride. Paka-relax. Ganda guys, so nakasakay tayo sa isang bus dito sa Disney. Sobrang sulit, ganda ng view. Punta na natin lahat.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think this beauty in the
Thank you! Arigato! That's it guys. From Disney, Tokyo. Look at this hot dog guys, it's red color. Like Mickey Mouse. Let's try guys, ice cream sandwich by Mickey Mouse. So good. That's it guys. Ice cream sandwich, Mickey Mouse. Thanks to bye guys. Tokyo Disney. Let's give away probably 100 of this because I want to share my blessings to you. Right now I'm in Disney. Thanks for supporting. I'll buy 100 for giveaway. They're front and back size. You can see. Very nice. I'll pay cash.
20.
Okay, sure.
Okay, Bamba?
Yeah, I'll get. Thanks.
Small size, same size.
Big.
Big size.
Yeah. Thank you.
You
The House of Minnie Mouse. House of Minnie Mouse, guys. Bahay ni Mickey Mouse, mga boss. Meet Mickey. Hello. Hi, Mickey.
How are you? Arigato. Konnichiwa.
Okay.
Picture. Nice to meet you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Basta mga boss, dito tayo sa Beauty and the Beast. Tignan nyo yung castle. Ganda. VIP tayo, priority access, no? Dun sa kabila yung general. So we are VIP. Priority. So good.
Until something better came along. As soon as we wake up, promise you the world tonight, show you what I've got. Your body speaks my language and you read me like a book. This night means forever and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love. Until something better came along.
Guys, of all the rides here in Tokyo, Japan, Beauty and the Beast is just the best. I suggest go to Beauty and the Beast #1. It's really the best ride here. And don't take other rides except this. This is just the best of the best. So guys, nagpapabili sa akin si Mr. Fish Vlog. Bili natin siya ng Starbucks Japan Edition Magna. So, bili natin yung barkada natin. Biling ko rin si Mr. Fish Vlog ng Japan Magna. So, pabili ko. Quite cold here in Japan, guys. Nice weather. Kain muna tayo mga boss. So, try natin. guys, ganda oh. Solid. Sakura. Ganda ng weather. Guys, so mura na pagkain sa Ueno. Titignan nyo. Sausage, meron ng potato. 400 yen lang. 200 pesos lang yan, guys. Grabe talaga dito. Ayan, may pizza pa. Dito yan, guys, ha? Saizeriya. Sa Ueno, sa Japan. Saizeriya. So, punta kayo dito. Grabe, oh, isang buong pizza. 200 pesos lang. Grabe talaga. Iba talaga pag may kilala ka dito. Talagang dadaling ka sa magandang lugar at mura, no? So try natin, tikman natin mamaya kung masarap talaga dito. To my K-pop army friends, so I have the BTS collection here. RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, and Jungkook. As you can see, I'll give away 100 of this to our fans. And as you can see, they have a nice color combinations as well. So this is one of the giveaways. I'll give Pokemon, One Piece, and more. But as you can see, these are the BTS lineup. Grabe guys, ang ganda dito sa Ueno. Mura yung mga bilihin. Napakamura. Guys, ito na mga pampasalubong. As you can see, guys. As you can see, guys, the gadgets here are very cheap. You can buy an iPad for 13K. It's very cheap. Ito pa mga boss, oh, mumura na mga AirPods dito sa Japan. Grabe, makakabili ka dito na halagang 6,000. So, napakamura dito. Kompleto pa. Grabe yung mura ng mga pre-love dito guys sa mga Nike. Makakuha ka ng 500 original jacket. Supreme, makakuha ka ng 5,000 pesos. So, grabe talaga sa shop na to sa Japan. Kompleto guys. Pati mga shoes mo. Grabe, original lahat. Ako hindi ako bibili ng fake, no? Just buy original always. Guys, Supreme 12,000. Kung convert mo sa peso, 8,000 lang, no? Divided by 2 yan. So, this is very cheap. Guys, as you can see, everything in Japan is cheap. This is original. 22,000 yen is only around $200. Yeezy original $200. Japan is the cheapest. Japan is the best country. If you are rich here, you will live a very nice life. You can buy almost anything. All the people here are nice. It is very safe. Of all countries I've been, Japan is always number one. I tell everyone, even though I live in Dubai, even though I went to all countries in Europe, America, no one can beat Japan. Japan is the best country in the world. Tingnan nyo naman mga boss, Supreme, 15,000 yen. So nasa 7,000 pesos lang. Easy. Sa Pinas, magkano yung Easy? Pinakamura 20,000 pesos. Dito 22,000 yen. So nasa 10,000 na yun. Original pa. Hindi ako bibili ng fake. Original lahat dito sa Japan, no? Dahil nasa store na to. So ang dami guys. Solid talaga. Ang ganda sa Japan. The best country in the world. So guys, time to buy souvenir stuffed toys. So we're here in another place in Japan where there are a lot of stuffed toys here. As you can see. So there's the Pokemon. And we're giving away. So this one is like the color of my Supreme. Same one. So we'll give away to our fans, to our followers, and to my friends in all around the world. I have a lot of friends, so I'll probably buy around 100. And I have a car here, so I have a friend who has a car actually, and we will just put it on his car. Guys, our vlogger kit is ready, so we're ready to vlog. As you can see, he's preparing it. So we're ready to vlog. It has a mic, a tripod, everything is included. So this will be our travel. When we go out of country, we can film.
So meron din mga locks dito pang couple no, astig guys no. So meron din Statue of Liberty, kompleto talaga sa Japan guys, nandito na lahat pati gun no.
Mahal mo sa buhay no, meron dito the kiss at lalagay nila yung love. Ayan yung television sa Japan mga boss, ang ganda oh. Diyan nagsushoot ng mga films dito sa Fuji Television sa Japan. So Odaiba yan. Nandito na yung Statue of Liberty na kamukha. Nandito pa yan. Tapos meron pa yung parang tower. Tapos dito sa isang side, ayan, merong Tokyo na hotel din. So grabe dito guys, ang ganda. Ito na mga boss, Gundam. So sa Odaiba yan. Grabe, ang ganda. Solid, ang laki. Ito naman, lapit tayo. Grabe, ang laki. There, and my friend went to the bathroom, but we will go to Mount Fuji now. So guys, we're going to Mount Fuji now. As you can see, my tour guide is there. He went to the bathroom and my friend as well, but I'm this year, I'm not going to pee. But anyway, we will see Mount Fuji right now and we'll see if it's good, because Japan without Mount Fuji, it's not Japan. So it's very cold there, it's snowing. So let's see the weather. And guys, I appreciate everything. So we got the trip here, we got the Dior, we got a Fendi, we got a Rolex, we got a Supreme SS23 collection here. See? And later we will buy more, so we'll just wait for our tour guide. I don't want want to go out because it's raining. So wait for our Mount Fuji. Hello. Wow. The best guy here in Japan, Jason. Hello. We will go to Mount Fuji, right?
Yeah,
Alright. So after Mount Fuji, we will shopping. Alright. I'm just waiting for a friend there, and thank you so much. Excited.
Fuji. Thank you.
So boss, ito yung mga estudyante ng mga Japan, no? So yung uniform nila. Titignan niyo yung weather, chill vibes. Hello, ready?
Hello.
Okay, so these the students in Japan, guys. As you can see, here's the uniform. Very nice uniform, and they're kind. Guys, cable car na tayo.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you.
Dito guys, so lamig, chill weather, relax lang. Sobrang lamig, may usok na sa bunganga ko. So alam ko 0 degrees Celsius ngayon dito sa Japan. Ganda ng view. So papunta tayo Mount Fuji. It's very cold, guys, as you can see when I'm speaking. There's the wind, and we'll go now to Mount Fuji. Chill weather here, guys. We'll buy some ice cream. Kumusta mga boss? Kita nyo, kung nagsasalita ako, may usok na sobrang lamig dito sa Japan. Pero grabe, ang chill, no? Ganda sa Japan, guys. Tuturo ko sa inyo lahat ng mga magandang puntahan dito. At mga boss, siyempre pupuntahan lahat natin yung magandang puntahan. At pamibili tayo ng stop toys pang giveaway, no? So, pamibili tayo ng maraming toys. So guys, in Japan, you remove the shoes before you can play. So use the restaurant in Japan. One of the best is here. So as you can see, the tables are like this. Let's go. So sa Japan mga boss, ang mga table nila ganito. Tapos kapag kakain ka, tatanggalin mo yung sapatos. So ito yung sapatos natin, Dior. So lupet, di ba? So tatanggalin mo tapos kakain na tayo mga boss. Ready to go guys. This is the boat, one piece. As you can see guys, very fun. Gucci guys. It's raining. Getting mommy new Gucci.
Tax free how much?
It's price. Getting mommy new Gucci. Hello. Time to eat guys, steak. Here in Tokyo, Japan. Wagyu. Wagyu guys, steak here in Japan. Best. Grabe yung mga train dito guys, napaka-accessible. Easy lang, no? Grabe. Ginza guys. We're in Ginza guys, Japan. There's a Chanel building there. Got the P&G here, Breitling watch. So let's explore this amazing part of Japan. Tokyo guys. Guys, Tokyo Tower na tayo. Yan na. So check natin. Guys, Tokyo Sky 3 na tayo. Check natin. Tokyo Sky 3. Mga boss, napakaganda ng view dito. Buong Tokyo yan mga boss, buong Tokyo. Sky 3 ang pangalan, Tokyo Sky 3. Grabe guys, ang ganda oh. Tokyo Sky. Grabe, Tokyo Sky. Sobrang ganda. Panalo dito palang sulit na yung Tokyo trip natin. So guys, dito na ako mamimili ng mga Pokemon. Ang dami. So, pili tayo dito. Dahil mga collection. Iba't iba. Yakiniku guys. You can choose the food here, different kinds of food. So as you can see, everything is here guys. Basta mga boss, pa-chill-chill lang tayo dito, no? So ang ganda ng view. Dito tayo sa may Ginza. So sarap sa Japan guys, chill, no? Chill vibes. Ayan. Ingat kayo lagi guys. Guys, dito tayo sa Yakiniku. So, sa mga pinaka-social na restaurant dito guys. The best to. So, may iPad pa dyan. Nagluluto tayo. Ang dami natin lulutuin. Try na natin guys. Basta mga boss, dito tayo sa isang restaurant sa Japan na Yakiniku. So, sa mga pinaka-social na restaurant dito. Pero luluto yung sarap. At sobrang sarap dito. Mga boss, last day na natin sa Japan. Guys, miss ko to. Sa lahat naman napunta akong lugar, ito yung pinakamaganda sa Japan. Solid talaga, mabait lahat, magandang lahat ng tanawin. Kompleto, wala akong sabi negative dito. Yun lang sigurong may language barrier, no? Pero lahat perfect country. Bye Japan guys. Bye Japan guys. Going back to the airport now. Every airport guys. Bye Japan. Bye Japan.
This night means forever and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just dancing until something better came along.
Guys, nasa airport na tayo. So, baba na tayo. So guys, nasa airport na tayo. That's it. Like, subscribe guys. Salamat sa support. Abangan yung Korea vlog. This time, Judah Capital Master Day NFT King. Ingat kayo mga boss. Have a nice day.